Let me show you why it's important to start every load that you're going to do with a clean lint filter. When the dryer is running, air comes into the dryer through these holes. The air passes through the heating element and it gets hot. The hot air enters the dryer through these holes. The hot air passes through the clothes and continues to exit the dryer through these holes on the lint filter. If the lint filter is clean, the air continues to the exhaust hose. If there are no obstructions on the exhaust hose, the air continues to the air duct outside of the house. That was the way that the air is supposed to circulate through the dryer. If you want the dryer to be efficient and last a long time, make sure you clean the lint filter every time you're going to do a load. It should be nice and clean like this. You should be able to see clearly right through the lint filter. Put the lint filter inside of the dryer and you're ready to do the next load. If you make a habit of cleaning the lint filter every time you use the dryer will work more efficient and it will last you a longer time. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so you could be notified every time I make a new video. Until next time, this is Angel the Appliance Man.